In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Assistant with Notion to optimize your productivity and streamline task management. If you've ever found yourself juggling between these two powerful tools, wishing they could work together harmoniously, you're in the right place. We're about to embark on a journey that will connect your Google Assistant with Notion, allowing for effortless voice command task management. So let's dive in and make this integration happen. We'll start by opening Google Assistant settings on your device. Ensuring your settings are correctly configured is the foundation upon which this integration will thrive. Once you have accessed the settings, locate the section labeled Routines. In this part of the menu, you have the ability to fine-tune how your Google Assistant responds to specific tasks and commands. Enable the Routines option. This feature will allow you to specify the particular actions you want Google Assistant to execute whenever a routine is triggered. Take a moment here to think about the commands you frequently use and design these into your routine settings. Now here's where the real magic begins. In order to create a bridge between Google Assistant and Notion, we'll turn to third-party tools like IFTTT or Zapier. Both of these platforms are designed to help various applications communicate with one another by automating workflows and transferring data between them. Choose the one you're most comfortable with, or perhaps explore them both to see which best suits your needs. Connect these services to both your Google Assistant and your Notion account. This involves setting up what's called applets in IFTTT or zaps in Zapier. With the connection established, you'll need to set up triggers based on voice commands or routines that you regularly use with Google Assistant. By using specific keywords or phrases, you can activate these triggers, prompting Google Assistant to take actions that then interact with Notion. For instance, you could say, add a task to my to-do list, and create a trigger that maps this command to an entry in your Notion workspace. The critical next step is to map these tasks created by Google Assistant directly into your Notion databases. Consider how your workflows currently operate in Notion, and create an organizational structure that works seamlessly with your Google Assistant commands. This might involve creating specific databases for different types of tasks or areas of your life that you manage within Notion. Finally, thoroughly test and refine your commands to ensure everything runs smoothly. It's essential not only to confirm that your voice commands are correctly triggering actions, but also that the tasks are accurately recorded in Notion. Be patient during this stage and make adjustments as necessary to ensure all interactions are seamless. Congratulations, you've now integrated Google Assistant and Notion, adding a new level of efficiency to your daily routines. Enjoy your enhanced productivity and the ease of managing tasks with just your voice.